The big benefit for a patient is that with the NextDent 5100, we can make every dental device really fast. We can make it with a high accuracy, so the fit is great. And the other thing is that it's really simple to reproduce a case. So the patient can call and say, okay, I lost my denture. And 1 hour later or 2 hours later, we have the denture finished, and so he can pick it up. We have a laboratory and the clinic under the same roof. So it's really nice to have a printer that is fast, there's a high resolution and really easy to work with. So we can treat a patient here in the clinic and we make a digital impression. We send it to the laboratory, we can make the design and we can print with the NextDent 5100. So in 1/2 hour we have a crown ready to place with the patient's mouth. Because of the NextDent 5100, we are able now to make a fully digital workflow, use the intraoral scanner, directly send it to our laboratory to make the design of the crown, and directly send it to the NextDent 5100 to print the crown. So we're now able to make a crown in just 1 or 2 hours. So we use it for night splints, and we also use it for dentures, for crown and bridge, and for models. So we can use it on a whole range of dental devices. The speed and the accuracy, that's amazing to see. So the print is ready. We printed the night guard. We are now ready for post-curing, polish, finish and place it directly in the patient's mouth. Yeah, when I talk to colleagues and they ask why you use the NextDent 5100, I say the speed is a big benefit, accuracy and usability. And I think that are the 3 most important things to work with this printer. And it's a part of a digital workflow, so we save up like 40% labor time. The most benefit is absolutely for the patients, because we are able now to make, with a lot of more comfort, an intraoral scan without making normal impressions. And we're now able to make this crown in a few hours, and earlier you have to wait for a few weeks. The change that we are in now, I think that's the biggest in 100 years now. It will change dentistry, yeah, totally.